Hi there, I am Ismail from Pearl Lemon, and today we are going to be discussing one of the hardest SEO scenarios. You launch a new website, you enter a competitive niche, and the page one is filled with monsters, absolute mammoths, high DR domains that are over 10 years old, and thousands of backlinks. So the question becomes, how does a new site compete when authority already exists? The answer is not to build more links, it's strategy. Authority compounds over time. Older domains have more trust signals, more indexed content, more internal authority flow, and more branded searches. You cannot outmuscle them immediately. So don't even try it. But what you can do is to outmaneuver them. High volume head terms are owned territory. Like if you see those big keywords with high search volume that are directly related to the niche, those are already gone. When you go after broad, high intent keywords too early, Google doesn't trust you. Like who joins the UFC and says they want to box, they want to fight Tom Aspinall in their first fight? Nobody does that. Dana White is not going to allow you to do that. You have to fight your way up. And this is not because your content is bad, but because your authority footprint is too small. You are literally buying checks your body can cash. You must earn your right to compete. Instead of competing broadly, you go deep. You find highly specified queries, questions established players ignore, subtopics they only mention briefly, weak content on page one. Your goal is to win micro battles. Authority is built through accumulation. Authority doesn't start wide, it starts concentrated. When Google sees multiple high quality pages, strong internal linking, and consistent topical relevance, it begins associating your domain with that entity cluster. That is your beachhead. You expand after dominance, not before. When you're new, internal linking is your main weapon. You may not have backlinks, but you control authority distribution inside your site. All supporting content should reinforce one commercial page. Use semantically aligned anchors. Avoid linking randomly across unrelated topics. Concentration beats dispersion. When competing in competitive niches, link quality matters more than quantity. A relevant DR30 in your niche can be stronger than a random DR80. You want topical alignment. Google evaluates authority contextually now. Don't chase metrics, chase strategic signal strength. Large authority sites move slowly. You don't. You can publish faster, update faster, optimize based on data faster, fill emerging search gaps faster, and you also have the agility to outmaneuver. This is your competitive advantage, and you have to use it. Growth must look natural. If a 2-month old site suddenly publishes 300 pages, gains 200 links in 30 days, and expands to 10 unrelated categories, it triggers algorithmic skepticism. Authority growth must be believable. Controlled growth builds trust. It's back to an analogy that I made about you having a government job with average pay and the tax man seeing you driving a Ferrari one day. He's going to be skeptical. He's going to wonder how this average person got a Ferrari, and he's going to look deeper into you. And most of the time, once they look deeper, they find something. You don't want Google to do that to you. Now, once your beachhead is strong, you can expand horizontally from, for example, technical SEO for SaaS startups to SaaS SEO strategy, SaaS link building, SaaS content marketing. You see now, initially you started from technical SEO, which is one microcosm aspect of SEO. But then, with more dominance, you became more confident and you expanded. Expansion must follow dominance, not precede it. Authority radiates outward. High competition niches are not won by aggression, they are won by patience and structure. Authority is accumulated, trust is layered, signals must align. New sites don't win by being loud, they win by being strategically inevitable. If you found this video to be helpful, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.